On this lovely Christmas, a cute Santa baby was born. While he is learning to crawl, he accidentally crawled into Santa Claus' red bag. Santa Claus noticed him. The baby tries to escape from Santa Claus, but Santa Claus thinks the baby is way too cute. So, Santa Claus brings the baby abroad with him. This year, Santa Claus finally has a companion during work. They can send presents to all the neighborhood together. But sad things happen. Their boat broken halfway. Santa Claus does not know what to do.
No worries! Boat Propeller is always ready to help. We provide parts for boats, outboards, snowmobile, motorcycle, UTV, ATV. Also, marine parts and auto parts. Find us on eBay, Amazon. Link in description.